So how's it going, guys? Kid Fisher. Now today we're doing something we haven't done in about a year, and that's specifically target bream and take nothing but our bream gear. So haven't done this in about a year. We've been very invested with our Jewfish. So I've got my Shimano Zodias 270 plus ultra light, Shimano Nasci 1K, 6 pound braid, 4 pound leader, cheap jighead because it's pretty windy, a bit heavier, 2.5 inch Boombait curlicious in bloodworm with some procure shrimp, which is probably my favourite scent for bream. We've used since we started bream fishing, which was what, nearly 2 years ago. We've been using this and it's been the best for us, so we'll see how we get any. We're on 4 pound.
20 mil, mate.
I'm getting flogged. I mean, I don't think there's any sight of coming back. From a 3-0 deficit. 3-0 deficit. Obviously, it's not anything to parade home about, but it's better than those tiny ones. Good one too, hey? That's a cracker. Measure this one, bloody, that's a 40. That's a cracker, blackfish. Cracker. On the dot. 40.
On the dot, 40 ski, mate.
Oh, very good blackie, I told you 40. There you go. George's River cracker blackfish. Oh, he's right, perfect release. Just saw him flop, so I just have to like lob him out just so he wouldn't hit the rocks. Not perfect, but perfect enough. Huh? What are you gonna do?
Huh?
What are you gonna do? Yeah, have a flick with the 3 inch. Flighty slayer. Taking a drag. This setup just feels a whole lot better than that one, eh? Yeah, but the reel makes a big difference. Yes. Get the net. Take it really lightly because I'm using 4 pound. Definitely flatty.
I'm ready when you're on that.
Huh?
Through that whole area, mate. Nothing. Your little touch, mate.
First cast in this lot.
Squid.
Oh, yeah. Oh, imagine if it's a little dewy. It's fine like a flatty.
I don't think he's fighting like a flatty at all, mate.
Dewy! There's no way.
It's a Dewey, mate.
There's no way, Dad. There's no way.
It's a Dewey.
I saw. There's no way, man.
You record him?
Yes.
It's either a Dewey or a big bream, mate.
It's a Dewy. It's a Dewy.
Little Dewey.
Oh my gosh.
Definitely 100% little Dewey, mate.
Yep.
Visual has been confirmed.
I feel his teeth. I don't know if we're going to get this one.
Ah, you get him, mate. I saw him, mate. I don't care.
Yeah.
Take it easy with him.
I'll back it off even a little bit more.
Yeah, just back it off a bit, mate.
4 pound or 6 pound?
I don't know.
Bit loose there. Oh my gosh. Go for bream, catch Zodias. I don't care how long this takes to get him in.
I do.
Why?
Because I want to fish.
Oh, he gets a Jewy. This is a little fella. What, you reckon, like 50?
Yeah, he's probably 50.
On the bloody reacted little dodgy bent lure.
Mate, I threw that area, mate. I'm telling you right now, mate. There was nothing. There was no flooded around this area at all. First cast, and you hooked in. Little short came through. You got lucky, mate.
Yep. I've got lucky just yet. Got the hook up. Haven't landed him.
No, mate.
Happy I saw him.
Just needed to bite the fish, mate. You saw it, mate. It's definitely pretty good.
Yep. Feeling his teeth, bro. He's just here. I can see him.
There's 4 pound there, mate. 4 or 6 pound. I can't remember which one it was.
Back it up just a little bit more.
You want to land him, mate?
There's a fine line between landing him and busting off. I want to get a photo of him.
Okay, so pull him in.
Question, were they coming from up here or were they coming up? No, it's good.
Come on, Damo, come on.
Oh, I can feel him every single time he turns. Can you hear it? Maybe a little tackle. Come on, mate. We'll release you.
Yeah, you got him nice pinned in the mouth, mate.
Still 4 pound. Tighten out a couple clicks.
You got him nice pinned in the mouth, mate. Come on, good.
There he is, Dad. There he is. Oh my gosh, that's not even a bad Jewy, eh? That's not even that bad.
Not bad little Jew, mate, for the 4 pound.
Not bad at all.
Bream gear, mate. Good job, Damo.
Thank you. I'm lucky there. Probably the dodgiest lure you ever get a Jewy on. Needle reacted, bent.
Throw him, mate. Come on, let's go.
I reckon about 60, 62. Oh, 63, 62.
Yeah, he's 63. Throw him back.
Little croaker. He goes.
Taking the rod back, mate.
So guys, had a good session today. Caught 7 fish in total, four flatted, one on which wasn't on camera, 1 or 2. The one that wasn't on camera was only small, like 40 odd centimeters. And 1 tiny Bream, 40 centimeter blackfish. I had a cracker for on lures. And then on this setup here, my dad's setup, Shimano Zodias, same rod, Shimano Stradic CR4 Plus 1000, 6 pound braid, 4 pound leader. We got a Jewy. So that was pretty good. 62 centimeters on a 3-inch minnow, which is in the color Sexy Mullet, with a 1/4 ounce 4.0. Pretty bent lure, but it just goes to show if you put it in front of feeding fish, you're going to catch them. So if you enjoy this episode, leave a like, subscribe. Catch you in the next episode.